Hey Bulldogs, how are y'all? So today in math, I bet y'all are wondering why I have the Bulldog Stadium up there. So let's talk a little bit about what we're going to do, and then I'll explain why we have the Bulldog Stadium up there. So today y'all have done already the vocabulary, and so you know that we are going to be comparing and contrasting numbers. We're going to be saying that they're greater than, less than, or equal to, right? So we are going to look at different stadiums and see how many seats they hold. And we're going to look at our hometown stadium right here. So Bulldog Stadium. Let's see how many seats they hold. And it says it holds 5,322 seats. Okay. Now, what are we going to do with that information? Let's look. All right, so we have a bunch of different stadiums, tons, and we're going to compare them with each other, and we're also going to compare with Bulldog Stadium, all right? So the first stadium we're going to compare Bulldog Stadium and Sanford Stadium. So we know that Bulldog is 5,000, oh, look, see, here's my thousands. So 5,322. See, I didn't start here because it's not 10,000, right? See, and here's my comma. Can't forget that comma. Now, the second stadium we're going to compare it with is the Sanford Stadium. So I'm going to look at this sheet. Find the Sanford Stadium. There it is. It has 92,746 number of seats. So we have 92,000, 92 because it's in the 10,000s, 746. So they also want you to draw using the place value discs. So you could either use little circles that you cut out, or we can draw. So I'm going to draw. So we have 5,000. Let's see, I have thousands here. How many hundreds? We have 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones. All right. So here we have 9, 10,000. 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 10,000. All right, and 2 thousands, 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 6 ones. All right, so the question says, write a statement that compares the number of seats in your hometown stadium with the number of seats in Sanford Stadium. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to in your statement. Explain how you know that your statement is right. So I'm going to write, so first of all, which one is bigger? All right. So I'm going to look at these numbers, and you know what? 5,322 is less than 92,746. Bulldog Stadium has no 10,000s, so I know that Sanford is bigger. So I'm going to write that Sanford Stadium is greater than Bulldog Stadium because Bulldog Stadium has no numbers in the 10,000s place. All right. So, and you could have said that a bunch of different ways. You could have said that Bulldog Stadium is less than Sanford Stadium because the 92,000 is greater than the 5,000. So there's different ways to say that. All right. And again, anytime you want to use these place value discs, you can just draw your circles. Also, I've added on SimScopes, there is a virtual manipulation discs where you can do it on the computer. That's not an assignment, that's just something that you can use. All right. Let's move these and go to our next sheet. So now they want us to compare Kyle Field and Neyland Stadium. So let's look and see if we can find Kyle Field on here. Kyle Field. It says that Kyle Field has 102,733 number of seats. So I need to start my hundreds. Here's my hundreds place right here. So I know I have 1. I have no 10,000s. I have 2 2,000s. 700s, 3 10s, and 3 1s. All right, now I need to look for Neyland Stadium. All right, so it says that it's down here. It's also 102,455 seats. All right, so let's look at that. So by just looking at the first part of the number, the hundreds are the same. 100,000s are the same. The 10,000s are the same. The thousands are the same. Are the hundreds the same? So when we compare numbers and try to find which is greater than and which is less than, we have to start with the biggest number and work back. So since all of these were the same, we had to go to the hundreds place. And in the hundreds place, one was bigger than the other. Which one was bigger? Remember, the top one is Kyle Field. And this one is Neyland Field Stadium. So, is Kyle Field bigger than Neyland? Yes, it is greater than. So let's write our number over here. 9,733. Neyland is, oh, what did I forget? My comma. All right, so how would we write that in a number statement? 102,733 is greater than 102,455. So now they want us to write Neyland's number first. So we're going to write that first. And Kyle's number second. All right, so Neyland Stadium of 102,455 is less than Kyle Stadium at 102,733. All right. Let's look at the Sanford Stadium, which we've already seen once, and versus the Cotton Bowl. So here's Sanford Stadium right here, and here's the Cotton Bowl. So remember, look at these two numbers. We don't have one in the 100,000s. So we need to start with the 10,000s. All right. So we have Sanford at 92,746. Cotton Bowl has 92,100. All right. So we can look at the hundreds, thousands place. They're the same. Both of them don't have anything. So we need to move to the 10,000s. Those are the same too. So we need to move to thousands. Well, those are the same too. So let's go to the hundreds. Are these the same? No. So which one is bigger? Would it be bigger if you had 7 100s or 1 100s? All right, the 7. The 7's bigger. 700 is bigger than 100. So Sanford Stadium, with its 92,746, is greater than the Cotton Bowl at 92,100. All right. Anytime the sign is facing this way, that means that this number is greater than that number. So we say that it's greater than. All right, that's right. They want the Cotton Bowl first now. And Sanford Stadium second. All right, so Cotton Bowl is less than Sanford, so I need to draw it this way. So Cotton Bowl is less than Sanford. All right, choose one comparison statement from above and